Welcome to Home of Math. Practice question part 5. Our topics factors and multiples. Let's start. First question. List of the factors of the following numbers and then identify the greatest common factor. The numbers are 34 and 52. First, 34, if we factorize, we will get 1 times 34, 2 times 17. I think it's enough. We cannot divide 34, 3, 4, 5, 6, nothing. So, A equals to 1, 2, 17 and 34. This is the factor of 34. Now 52. This one we can divide 1, then 1 times 52, 2 times 26, then 3 we cannot divide, 4 we can do, so 4 times 13, right? So B we can write like this: 1, 2, 4, 13, then 26, and finally 52, right? Now look, so we already factorize 34 and 52. So now the question is identify the greatest common factor. So greatest common factor is 2, right? Because here is no 17 or 34, or in A no 4, 13, 26 and 52. So GCF, greatest common factor is 2. Okay, so our answer done. Number 1 done. Number 2, state whether the following numbers are prime or composite. So first 31 is a prime number, right? Because only 1 and 31 we get, once we factorize we will get 1 and 31. 45 is a composite number. Then 63 also a composite number, and 59 is a prime number. Okay. Number 3, write the prime factorization for each. First 44. So 44, once we divide we will get 22. Again divide by 2, so 11. So 44 we can write 2 times 11, or we can write 2 square times 11. This is a 44. Now 195 we can only divide by 5, so here is 3 and carry 4 and 5 is 45, so 9. This one we can divide by 3, so it will become 13. So 195 we can, if we factorize by prime factor we will get 3 times 5 times 13. Okay, done. Number 4, list the first 8 multiples of each number and then identify the least common multiple of the two numbers. First, 5. We will write first 8 multiples. So 5 we can write 5 times a 5, then 10, then 15, then 20, then 25, 30, 35. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and finally 40. This is the first 8 multiples of 5. Then 7. First 7, then 14, then 21, then 28, then 35, then 42, then 49. So here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and finally 56. So our next part is least common multiple of the two numbers. So least common is LCM is 35, right? Is a 35. So this is our answer. So no more today. We try to solve 4 math. It's very important for examination. Day by day we will try to solve more and more math, and we should keep practice at home. Thank you very much being with me. If you think this video is okay for you or helping you, please don't forget subscribe the channel.